Okay guys, in today's video we're going to be changing the starter on 2008 Toyota Corolla, and the starter's at a fairly easy spot. It's right under the manifold, intake manifold, right there. So it's not too tricky of a job as long as no bolts are frozen, and there seems to be, I'll turn this in the camera there, there's supposed to be a bolt at the bottom and a bolt up top, and two bolts should take off the shroud. Okay guys, before we start taking this apart, make sure you disconnect your negative, and there's no current going to the starter. We're gonna start with taking off the radiator fan shroud. Alright, let's take off the 10mm bolts first so we can release the fan. One down, and then the other one's right here. One out. And the second one out, two 10mm bolts out. Gotta break this hose loose so we can actually take it off. Okay, that hose came off loose. Now we can pull the fan up. There we go. Now removing the fan, guys, gives us all the space to work around here. Let me set up the camera. Okay, we're gonna try taking off 14mm bolt. Where is it? There we go. Okay guys, this is a bit better angle. So the bottom bolt is right here. We're gonna take it off. It's a 14mm bolt. Alrighty, one out. There's one bolt at the bottom. I've just taken that off. And then the other one, 08, is right here up top. I don't know if there's enough light to show you this, but there's a bolt. So I'm going to set up the camera here. We're going to take it out right now. Alrighty, so we got the ratchet on it now. Alright, here we go. So now the starters come off loose. Cut the camera. The starter just came out here. What we can do now is remove the case, the rubber cover, and then take off that bolt, which seems to be a size 12. Alright. By the way guys, this car's done about 250,000 kilometers, so the starter's well on its way out. Now we're gonna open this tab here, push it down, and pull it back out, and there comes the starter. Okay, now we're gonna put in an ectal product to go back in. So to do that, I'm just gonna line it up first and leave the cables or the wires for now. I actually should install them right now, to be honest. It's way easier that way. Okay, the new starter did came with new bolts and washers, so we're gonna use the new. Actually, I'll leave that one alone. I'll put the plug on for now. That's plenty. Okay, the starter goes back in, and now drive to tighten. Do both bolts little by little, guys. That's probably the best way to do it, so you can get it lined up properly. Seat the top bolt, then do the bottom. Hopefully the camera's getting the bottom bolt. And now let's tighten the top one again, which is right here. Okay guys, so we've got the top bolt and the bottom bolt all tightened up. Come on, get back a bit. Here we go. Nut on top. Tighten the power, the positive, properly, guys. Don't let it loose. You don't want any shortages happening later. Tighten that up. Make sure your connection's secure. And now we're gonna put the rad back on in place. The rad fan. Match these two tabs where they go at the bottom. Overflow pipe and the fan plug back on. Put the tabs in. And now we can reconnect the battery. Alright. Now all that is done. I'm just gonna check the battery because this car has been sitting till the parts actually came in the mail, so it's been sitting for a week. Just want to make sure that we have enough battery juice in it. 1227, that should be enough to fire it up. His button back up. There we go, guys. Job is done. If you like the channel, subscribe. I'll appreciate it. Have a good one. Bye now.